We're going to explain how to paste data into only the visible cells in Excel, ignoring any hidden rows or columns. This is incredibly useful when you're working with filtered data and you only want to update the visible portion. There are a few ways to do this, and we'll cover the most straightforward methods. 1. Using the special cells method, VBA. This is the most robust and efficient method, especially for large data sets. You'll need to open the VBA editor, Alt plus F11, insert a module, and paste the following code. This code assumes your data is in a range named My Data. You will need to change My Data to the name of your range. You may also need to adjust the worksheet name to match yours. Replace Sheet 1 with the correct name. Remember to save your Excel file as a macro-enabled workbook, XLSM. The code first selects only visible cells within the range. Then it pastes the data from the clipboard into those selected visible cells. The on-error resume next line handles potential errors if there are no visible cells. Subpaste to visible cells. On error resume next this workbook sheets, Sheet 1. Range My Data. Special cells, XL cell type visible. Select selection. Paste special XL paste all on error, go to 0n sub, add 2. Using the paste special method with XL paste values, VBA. This is similar to the first method, but specifically pastes only the values, omitting any formatting. This is helpful if you want to avoid copying over any formatting from the source data that might interfere with your visible cells. Place the XL paste all in the previous code with XL paste values. VBA sub-paste values to visible cells. On error resume, next this workbook. Sheets, Sheet 1. Range, My Data. Special cells, XL cell type visible. Select selection. Paste special XL paste values on error. Go to 0n sub, 3. Manual selection, non-VBA. For smaller datasets, a manual approach can be sufficient. Simply filter your data to show only the rows or columns you want to modify. Then, select the visible cells you want to paste into. Finally, paste your data. This approach is much less efficient for large datasets and prone to errors if you accidentally include a hidden cell. This is not recommended. Remember to replace My Data with the actual name of your data range and Sheet 1 with the name of your worksheet. After writing the VBA code, you can assign this macro to a button to make it easily accessible. The VBA methods offer significant advantages in speed and accuracy compared to manual selection, particularly when dealing with numerous rows and columns. Choose the method that best suits your needs and data volume. Always back up your data before running any macro.